In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unblock yourself on Instagram if someone has blocked you. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. For this tutorial, you're going to need a second account that is not blocked by the person you are trying to unblock yourself from. So let's say that tutorial_0_0 has not been blocked by this person yet. This is my quote-unquote second account. You are going to go into your DMs and add in the account that has been blocked. So my second account has been blocked from this person. You're then going to add in the account that has blocked you on your other account. For example, I'm going to add in this account. You're then going to chat, and your second account that has been blocked will now have access to the account that they have been blocked from. Now, you're going to send a message just to make sure that they can see all of these messages. That's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.